All my days are just stood in a massive puddle. Today we are going to an indoor car boot because the outdoor ones are way too rainy. Bijou's got her Crocs on. I wonder what we'll find, eh? There's your amateur car booters and then there's the pro car booters that come out at all weathers. The back of my legs are soaking. Look at this.
Yeah, but you stepped in a massive puddle.
First time I've actually done this one. This one's Belper. And it only opens in the winter. And after this, we're going to head on to Botany Bay. And that's the biggest indoor car boot north of Watford. Actually, never this early, so the fact that we're actually in a queue shows that yeah. You shouldn't be here because I was getting you fabrics for Christmas. That's what you asked for, isn't it? These are Liberty though. Oh, look how beautiful those are. Oh, wow. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Fancy. We'll grab that one and we'll keep having a look.
Are you starting to make things then?
Yeah, she goes to like an art class and so they do lots of things like that, but she likes to make little dresses for dolls, and so she's got a little sewing machine and she crochets and she knits. You like that kind of thing, don't you? So
little embroidery kits here as well. So they sort of they've got some little iron-on transfers, very kind of old-fashioned. A little ring here, and then a whole load of different sort of like embroidery threads, and then some little linens and cottons that just fit on that size.
would you like that? Yeah? You know how to use it? You've done it before? Oh, there we are then. I hope you have a good time today. Thank you. Bye. That's cool, isn't it? It's super heavy. Or this one. I like the colour of that one.
Yeah.
Oh, look who that is. So yeah. This is a 1992 noddy by the looks of it.
How do you know?
It says here, look.
Oh.
So that's when I was 3. But he's missing his little light, sadly. It is annoying. Sorry, Noddy, you're going to have to go back. Oh, Tintin. It's a beanie. And this must be... Wow. What sort of age would be on this now? That's an old Mickey, isn't it?
Yeah, I should say late 50s, early 60s.
Wow. So have you made them from recycled tins? Cute, aren't they? What a lovely idea. Have you been doing this for long then, or?
I've been making them over the past 8 months. Just started selling them yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, I just got the website up.
How much are your earrings, please?
The earrings are 15 or 2 for 20, and the hooks are sterling silver. No nasty.
No,
metal
yeah.
here. Yeah, bracelets too. That's made from Pokemon tins.
Wow, that is beautiful. We're going to buy that. I don't know if we're your first customers or not.
You are.
We are.
You are.
There we are, look. It was meant to be.
Okay.
£20 for a Pokemon tin bracelet.
Thank you very much.
£20 for a Pokemon tin bracelet.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.
I'll have to switch them on.
Oh.
I started up. There's a bell.
How much is that?
Special price, £3.
Oh, well, seeing as it's special.
Very special. Put it in the bag.
Yeah.
Because the men will all topple out.
That'll be great, thank you. Harry Potter stickers. Do, 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 do. We'll grab them. They're epic. How much are your stickers, please?
50p.
50p. £3.50.
Yep.
£3.50.
Okay.
That's fabulous. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
3.
That's cool, like an Aboriginal art. I'm a bit obsessed with homeware, you know, like
These are £2 each. I've both of them for 3.
Well, you can't leave one, can you? You couldn't have one and leave the other, because then the other would be sad.
So
you'll have them both.
£3.
Oh, that is such a bargain. Don't worry about the change.
I'm not worried. I'm just thinking that somebody
Yes.
just...
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you very much. So you've got another 50p to spend now. You got there, Alex? Show us what you got.
No.
Show us. Show us what you got. Oh my days. How much are they?
Can't tell you that.
No, you have to tell us.
Cheap.
Paid the rail
Might
on
send
it.
you those ones.
Oh, thanks. I really wanted the Jack Daniels one. It's kind of you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 17, 18, 19. They get all of them. The few good is the lady who got here before me took all the band ones.
That's how it works, doesn't it? You win some, you lose some. The school dude. Lie. Are they all on wilds?
Yeah, most of them. Harlequin, that one. That's probably the best one.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, see.
This is 2 days in a row now I'm finding the best things.
She did
You
find
have
some amazing
You have to take her out with you all the time. Oh, I like that one. £2 each.
Cole's going to be so jealous.
Well, they worked out 35 she charged, so just a bit less.
Cool, aren't
Did
they?
you get a fiver?
Yeah, I'll probably
That's
keep a couple
so
of
cool.
them. Maybe.
I like that one. I think that's cool.
The Death Angel ones.
Yeah. Double hits. Love it. Cheers. Thanks, Alex. You can't beat a boot fair, can you? I mean, McDonald's when you've been to the Carboot.
I got pancake meal with extra sausage.
She doesn't eat all of the pancakes. You get 2 extra sausages on the pancake meal. We only have 1 meal between us, don't we? Mm-hmm. And I get a sausage and a pancake, and then you have 2 pancakes and 2 sausages. And that's how we roll. And I just get an extra chocolate, don't we? That's great. Thank you. We're going to eat this, and then we are heading to what is supposed to be one of the biggest car boots in England. I think there's like 3 floors there, or 2 floors. Can't remember. But we've been there a few times. And I think it was supposed to close because of like works or something on it. They're staying open until March now. So this is Botany Commercial Park in Mansfield. So this is the lower level of what is the biggest indoor car boot in the UK, supposedly. I think this is a waistcoat maybe? Rock and roll. Is that cool? Bought a mason basket there, but it looks like it's to hold stuff. I like this kind of stuff. Look at that.
What is that?
Some kind of tapestry that you can
Is it like
hang. How much have you got on that? 15.
cost a lot of money?
Yeah. No, they're expensive. I'll have a think about it, but thank you. What would you say is your most favourite thing that you've got on here? Is there something that you absolutely love?
That's vintage William Morris.
Oh wow, we just picked up
It's
a...
a stretchy chair cover actually, but it's vintage William Morris.
Yeah, we just picked up some Liberty material at Belper. We've just been to Belper. They don't teach that kind of stuff anymore though, do they?
When I was at school, I was made to learn to sew, to knit, to crochet, to cook,
Yeah.
everything. We used to have a chapel at the bottom of the street, and I used to go to the jumble sales and
Yeah.
everything from being young, and I was from a big family. I was always making things and turning other things into other things. I was always doing that since I was a child, since growing up. But now it's all the thing, isn't
Yeah.
it? You know, but I've always done that. Bought curtains and made them into something else. I've took sleeves out of the dress and put them into something else. So,
I love that.
you know,
What's this here?
I think that's what makes something out of them.
How much are these, please?
They like little hooks.
They're cute, aren't they? I love that. That's like a little tartan. Oh, should we grab these in? So 2, 350. There you go. Look, we'll give you a 5 for that. Thank you very much. You bought the Ray-Bans then?
I did. Hello.
Hiya. So are you the organiser?
I'm the owner.
You're the owner of like
Just
treasure
this one.
troves or just this one?
No, just this one.
Is this the biggest car boot north of Watford Gap?
This is the biggest car boot north of the Watford Gap. We counted, it's about 220.
220.
So it's quite
That's
a few.
crazy. What's the one thing that you love about car booting? Or three things, top three things that you love about car booting?
Probably the bargains.
Yeah.
Because if there's something that you want and you know you can get it cheaper, then yeah.
Yeah, all in.
Talking to the people, the socialising of it all. Because
Yeah.
everybody's so nice. You could go around here and talk to anybody. They'd be
Yeah.
so nice to you, absolutely nice. And the third one, I don't know. Just
I'll
many
get-
of them too.
Yeah, that's the same for me
I
actually,
mean, I
isn't it?
despise getting up really early in the morning, but you know.
No.
But otherwise, no, absolutely amazing.
No, yeah, I think the conversations is my number one. Good to meet you anyway. Sure, I'll see you again soon. Cartoon Network. Ed, Ed and Eddie. Diddy, you're stupid. Don't think. Oh, that's Mario. And look, Mojo Jojo. Oh, they're actually so cool. Mojo Jojo.
What is that? Oh,
Oh, look, Kung Fu Panda marbles.
that's so cool. Play mob game.
They're cool, aren't they? Hiya. It's all right.
Shout to me.
No, how much are these and this?
Fiver?
£5 for all of them.
Yeah. I mean, I know the
a
prices of
deal.
them differently, but they are real. They're your real McCoys.
They just take me straight back to my childhood.
Well, you know, if you Google them,
Really?
Google the prices.
Well,
I'll even throw in that for you.
oh,
And
thank
I'll
you.
even throw in them for you.
Oh, you're legend. Oh, thank you so much.
Don't whack that in your face.
It's all right.
Sorry.
That's great.
Oh, we are. I'm in the middle of it.
Oh.
I know it's worth something, but
Thank you very much. These, well, I was looking at them. Go on.
285.
Really?
That's what you start.
Because they last, don't they? They're like
Yeah.
forever rose or something, eternity rose or something,
Well,
isn't
it's
it?
supposed to, London, it's a big thing up there apparently. Apparently,
And they just have them on their like coffee
well, they have
tables
them
and
sent
stuff.
to people as well, don't they, through the post. and
Yeah,
stuff.
they're lovely, aren't
And
they?
if you touch them, they feel real. I had some fella come before there, he's like, did he come out? I was
Like,
like,
leave them
I'm
alone.
not selling them for that price,
No.
I'm selling them for a tenner.
Yeah, they're so gorgeous.
But yeah, I like going into jewellery, retro, and
Yeah.
me bits and me bobs. Not so much all this.
Yes.
I'm dwindling all this down. If I hadn't have had a bad year this year, I wanted to start my jewellery up again. But even them, I mean, I've had kids coming and, I mean, I wouldn't, they're like, oh, they're putting the bath bombs, they're smelly things. I'm like, well, you know more than me about that.
Yeah.
Did I hear you?
Was you paying attention?
No, because I have
She won.
sidetracking me, telling me
Have
I'm
you
going
win?
to win as
Yeah.
soon as you shout.
This is the Ferrari.
211 and 331.
Well, we are officially divorced.
Oh,
I'd have to
again.
divorce him every week. I'm not your girlfriend anymore. I love the way you approach people, how you speak to people. I think your approach, your everything. I love the way you interact with the car booters. I just love it.
Oh, that means
Some
a
of
lot.
the stuff that you've managed to get,
Yeah,
retro-wise,
cool
I think-
stuff. Yeah.
I
So
think
yeah.
good on you, girl.
So you might appear on that, but I wanted to ask you first. Obviously, your face, we can always blur it.
Well,
But
if you want to come again next year, because I'll be honest, I've had a bad year, ill
Yeah.
health, death in the family, blah blah. All
Yeah.
this stuff like we've done if I hadn't been poorly this year, was to do Christmas lucky bags and stuff for kids.
we love that stuff, don't we? Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Sometimes you just go to places just to meet people. And that Maureen was so lovely. I feel like we did the whole of this place, and for us, there's not really much. I feel like there's people that are here for quite a long time. They've been here for a while, so the turnover isn't as like big and as fast. But it was worth meeting Maureen. So see ya. And we're done. We get to go home, get some food, and the rain stopped, so that's a bonus. What was your favourite pick-up today, Bijou?
20.
That little trolley.
Carry cider around.
It was only £1, that was.
I know, it's for bags to carry cider around.
What was your favourite pick-up today, Bijou?
20.
That little trolley.
Carry cider around.
It was only £1, that was.
I know, it's for bags to carry cider around.
Having new carpets laying, so the house is a little bit,
Mash up.
yeah, everywhere.
Mash up.
But
Yes.
I've been carbooting.
Let's take a seat. Let's go.
So 3 things that I want to show you.
Okay.
Let me know what you think. Yeah. What would you say this is without looking at it properly? Why would
Looking at it about look like this.
Well, no, without like look, because obviously it tells you on this part what it is.
See, I would think it's William Morris,
Right.
but
It does
I
look
think
a bit
I think it's like William Morris. Is it?
Liberty.
Oh.
They're all sewn together.
Or is this like bijou or something?
Yeah, and Piper's Peacock, Liberty, the Hesketh House collection.
It's because I was thinking because it's all flowers. I thought it was William.
Yeah.
I thought
No.
it was our Bill. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
our Bill. But
Our
yeah,
Bill.
she wanted fabric for Christmas. All of that. What?
That's decent.
8 squares for £5.
That's not bad at all, is it?
Rue's come down from a nap. Hey, darling, you had your nap. How I love homemade things, handmade things. We got it at the indoor car boot in Belper. So what Daddy's got?
Get some look.
What's Daddy
We've
got?
got some tissue. That's posh for a car boot, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, what's it gonna be, Rue?
So what? I can see a machoke. That's a Pokemon thing, isn't it? Oh, is that a bracelet?
Yeah. It's handmade. Sterling silver from Pokemon tins. She makes things out of tin.
Is that an actual... When you say Pokemon tins, in like the cases?
Yeah.
What? Because I heard you say Pokemon tin. I was like, oh,
Yeah, the cases that the cards come in.
that's mad.
Yeah. And then this bit is my favourite piece. Okay. They're not worth a lot. I mean, they're worth more than I paid, but
Well, I know what this is.
you'll know what this is. You will know what this is. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Close your eyes. Open.
It sounds familiar.
Open.
Man, I had this one.
Say it.
Mojojojo.
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 Didi. You're stupid.
Yes, stupid.
You're stupid.
How old are these now?
They came in a cereal. I'm not too sure.
90s, isn't it? Or was it like early 2000s?
I'm not too sure. But
These
they're-
worth anything?
yeah, they are. Not a lot, but they are. Yeah. But now it makes me want to get the whole collection. I want to get
Need to get Ed and Ed.
and a double D and Ed,
Double D and Ed.
and then I want to get. I'm not too worried about the Powerpuff Girls, but I want to get DD.
Did they have the Powerpuff Girls for that one?
Surely
I can't remember. I don't think they did.
they just did Mojo Jojo.
I'm pretty sure they did Mojo Jojo.
Fairs. DD.
You tell me.
Dexter.